4 or 5 types included in the syllabus. Those types will be moving around, yeah, 4 points only, right? So, okay, so in that case, we will see the cathodic and anodic reactions now. Now, what will happen at anode? At anode, metal dissolves, okay, or oxidizes. That you have studied several times. Oxidation takes place at anode, and oxidation means corrosion, and corrosion means what? Destruction, means what? Dissolution. That is why I mentioned metal dissolves, means oxidizes, means corrodes, okay, where at anode, and forms corresponding positive ions and electrons, okay. Means, for example, if your metal or iron, okay, so what will happen? uh, Iron will oxidize, like Fe gives Fe2 plus plus, okay, that is what oxidation. So positive ions and electrons are produced. So for example, Fe gives Fe2 plus plus 2 electrons. That is what happening at anode, okay. Now, what electrons produced or released at anode, they will be migrating towards cathode, because there is natural attraction, okay, towards cathode. So what will happen? Depending on the nature of corrosive environment, cathodic reactions are of two types, okay. So these electrons will be absorbed by cathode. Now, how cathode will absorb these electrons, that is totally depending on the environment, nature of the corrosive environment. Environment काय आहे, whether it is neutral environment or acidic environment. So the side cathodic reaction, what will produce? So we have two types of cathodic reactions. So first is in acidic medium. As I mentioned before, if the medium is acidic, what will happen? Hydrogen evolution mechanism, means hydrogen gas will be produced at cathode, okay. So how hydrogen gas will be produced, that we will see in a actual type in detail. And second type is if medium is neutral, that metallic assembly is in contact with neutral medium. So this is most common example, because neutral medium is moisture. Even in the room we are sitting now, there are several metallic particles and they are in contact with electrolyte. So there is definitely formation of anode and cathode, okay. So this is what the case, general case, common case, neutral medium. So what will happen? So these electrons released at anode, they are absorbed by what? Oxygen, which is dissolved in moisture or in the medium, okay. So in neutral medium, what we observe is oxygen absorption mechanism, okay. If the medium is acidic, then mechanism will be, or cathodic reaction will be, hydrogen evolution. And if medium is neutral, then electrons will be absorbed by the oxygen and hydroxide will be produced. Let us see in that detail. But these steps are very important, okay, because the remaining part of this, especially corrosion based part, is totally based on this slide only. You should be able to write these 4 steps only. How anode and cathode are produced, okay, on metal surface, what is the conducting media, what's its role, then what's happening at anode, that is what oxidation or corrosion. So you have to write reaction, oxidation reaction, and then cathodic reaction, what is happening at cathode, how electrons are absorbed by the medium, depends on the type of medium. Acidic असेल तर a hydrogen evolution, and neutral असेल तर oxygen absorption, okay. So this is what actually happening. You just write down this. If you are completed, you didn't tell me, then we will see these types one by one. So question will be straightforward. Describe electrochemical corrosion. or they may ask specific question like describe hydrogen evolution mechanism of electrochemical corrosion. Okay, or they may ask describe the rusting of metals in acidic medium. Answer is same, hydrogen evolution mechanism only. Okay. On the other hand, they may ask like describe the oxygen absorption mechanism for electrochemical corrosion. Or they may ask describe the corrosion of metals in neutral medium. You understand? So answer will be one and same. Okay, that we will see these two types separately with separate diagrams. Okay, so there is a very less possibility of asking two types together. पूर्णपणे दोन्ही टाइप एका क्वेश्चन मध्ये विचारण्याची शक्यता फार कमी आहे. Okay, they may ask independently. Okay, how metals corrode in acidic medium or how metals corrode in neutral medium. Okay. Have you finished this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will continue. Definitely, I will send PDF of this PPT. Okay. Let us consider first case. In acidic medium, what is happening? Okay. So this type of corrosion of metals occurs when metals are exposed to acidic environment, obviously. Okay. This should be your first statement in your answer. Now consider practical example, iron plate or steel plate that is exposed to acidic solution, say hydrochloric acid. Okay, so one case, simply suspend any iron plate or steel plate in a hydrochloric acid solution. This is what the example of this type of corrosion. So what will happen? Let us see. So according to this theory, in this case, cathodes are small points and anode is a large area. This is very important to understand. So when metals are exposed to acidic medium, cathode is small and anode is large. Because in anodic medium, exactly reverse case is happening. In anodic medium, cathode will be large, anode will be small. Okay, so you must understand this point. So objective question may be based on this point also. Okay, so cathodes are small and anodes are large in case of acidic medium. Now what is the overall impression that you may not understand at present, but when I tell you or show you diagram, you will definitely understand. So overall impression, okay, or overall consequence of this phenomena is it involves displacement of H plus ions from acid solution. आता acid मध्ये काय असतं H plus ions. HCl solution मध्ये काय असेल? There are H plus ions. Okay, and those H plus ions are displaced by and hydrogen gas is evolved. That is what it is called as a hydrogen gas evolution type of corrosion. So that is evolved at a cathode. That is overall impression that we will see in detail. Now, suppose this is what the iron plate, okay, and it is placed in presence of acid solution, say hydrochloric acid. Okay, so what will happen according to this theory? See, metal in contact with electrolytes. So what will happen? There is formation of anode and cathode. But here we have a specific case. Medium is acidic. So small cathode and large anode will be produced. So your diagram should represent same thing. There should not be any controversy, okay, or contradiction. Cathode should be small. Okay. So only small cathode is produced. That is what observation, and this is practically proved by measuring currents and potential. It is practically proved when metals are exposed to acid, small cathodes are produced, and remaining whole region, okay, is so anodes are large. Okay, so this is big anode or large anode, and only this rectangular part is cathode. This is what the characteristics of This type of corrosion means corrosion in presence of acidic solution. Now what will happen? Two conditions are fulfilled. See, metal in contact with electrolyte and formation of anode and cathode. So what is the third step? Oxidation at anode. Okay, means metal start dissolving at this large area, anodic area, and not at this small cathodic area. Okay, so this will happen. Fe will oxidize to Fe2 plus 2 electrons at large cathode. So जो आयोडिक भाग आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काय होईल, या रिएक्शन सुरू होतील तिकडे. Iron will start dissolving in this way. And electrons are liberated at anode. Now these electrons will be naturally attracted towards cathode. Okay, this way these electrons are attracted towards cathode. Okay, and what will happen at cathode? So these electrons are not absorbed by the cathode because cathode is neutral. Okay, neutral. There is Fe 0. Fe in the form of 0. Okay, so it cannot absorb these electrons. So these electrons will be absorbed by the medium. Okay, electron कोण absorb करेल? इथे या surface ला medium absorb करेल. So what is the medium? Medium is acid, and acid contains H plus ions, means hydrogen ions. Okay, so hydrogen ions will absorb these electrons and hydrogen gas is evolved. That is what evolution of hydrogen type of corrosion. Okay, so once you draw this diagram, your explanation is ready. Very simple. Okay, now let us see how to write explanation, how to write reactions and overall reaction in this case. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you want to draw this diagram, you please draw. Okay, you should start in this way. First, you should draw this iron plate exposed to acid, right? And then you should draw a small cathodic area. Okay, ह्या वेळेने तुम्ही जावा म्हणजे तुमचा आन्सर बरोबर येईल. Then small cathode and obviously remaining anode, large anode. Then reaction at anode, large anode is Fe gives Fe2 plus 2 electrons. Electrons are migrated in this way towards cathode and they are absorbed not by cathode but by the medium, and medium is acidic. So H plus ions present in acid will absorb these electrons. Evolution of hydrogen gas. म्हणून आपण evolution of hydrogen gas type of corrosion with all metals. तुम्ही कुठले सगळे मेटल घ्या. Which metals which are placed above hydrogen in electrochemical series. तुम्ही जी गॅल्व्हॅनिक सिरीज किंवा इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सिरीज शिकलात ना, तर त्यातले सगळे मेटल्स जे हायड्रोजनच्या वरती आहेत ते सगळे असे डिझॉल्व होतात किंवा करोड होतात. कशामध्ये? ऍसिड मध्ये, विथ द इव्होल्युशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन गॅस. आता आपली लॅबोरेटरी सुरू नाहीये ना, तुम्हाला मी दाखवलं असतं हाऊ दिस हायड्रोजन गॅस इव्होल्युशन टाइप ऑफ करोजन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. ओके, जर आपल्याला शक्य झालं, लॉकडाऊन उघडलं तर आपण हे पाहू शकतो लॅबमध्ये की कसं आयर्न रस्ट होतं ऍसिड मध्ये विथ द इव्होल्युशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन गॅस. ओके, तो एक्झामिनर काय बघणार, तुमच्या क्वेश्चन प्रमाणे डायग्राम बरोबर आहे का. म्हणजे he will first look at the medium. Suppose the medium is acidic, then he will look at the diagram whether proper anode and cathode are shown or not. Cathode is small, anode is large, हे आहे का कन्व्हेन्शन बरोबर ते बघणार. Then oxidation reaction, okay, movement of electrons, reduction reaction, finish. And whatever you see in this diagram, that only you have to write in a sentence form and reaction form. That's all. Okay, so let us see. If you are completed, you just tell me. We will finish this part and then we will stop. Diagram draw झाली असेल तर सांगा मला. डायग्राम फ्री हँडनेच काढायची आहे, पट्टी वगैरे वापरत असायचं नाहीये. पेनाने काढली तरी पण चालेल एक्झाम मध्ये, पण ती नीट लेबल्ड पाहिजे, रिलेव्हंट पाहिजे.
ओके सर, झाली.
ओके, ठीक आहे. सो नाउ वॉट एव्हर यू सी in this diagram, same thing you have to write. So what is mentioned, at anode iron dissolves, okay, means oxidizes to ferrous ions and electrons are liberated. See, every time anodic reaction is same. कुठलाही तुम्ही करोजनचा टाईप घ्या किंवा मेकॅनिझम घ्या, एनोडिक रिएक्शन आपली सेमच आहे, फक्त कॅथोडिक रिएक्शन बदलणार. अँड that depends on medium. Okay, so at anode same thing is happening every time in every type of corrosion. Okay, so Fe gives Fe2 plus 2 electrons. Okay, that is oxidation. These electrons, the metal from anode to cathode. हे आपण बघितलं डायग्राम मध्ये, where H plus ions in acid solution and hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, तर ते काय आहे, at cathode what is happening, H plus ions absorb these electrons and we have hydrogen gas evolved. So overall reaction is reduction because there is absorption of electrons. Okay, and then overall reaction. Now overall reaction, if we add these two reactions, what will happen? This oxidation reaction and reduction reaction, if we add together, what will happen? Electrons get cancelled. Two electrons get. Okay, so that is what the actual practical case. Iron when kept in acid, it will dissolve and hydrogen gas is evolved. That is what overall reaction you can easily guess. Iron placed in acid, okay, Fe2 plus iron is oxidized, okay, or dissolved in acid, and hydrogen gas electron will be cancelled, okay, from LHS and RHS. If we add these two reactions, and we will get overall reaction, overall impression of this type of corrosion. Iron article, steel article, or any other metal article, okay, which is placed above hydrogen in electrochemical series, okay, when it is placed in acid, what will happen? That iron will displace these H plus ions, okay, and it will dissolve and hydrogen gas will evolve. Okay, so it is summarized in this way. All metals, जसं मी मगाशी म्हणालो, all metals above hydrogen, फक्त हायड्रोजनच्या वरती जे आहेत ते, okay, in the electrochemical series have tendency to get dissolved in acidic solution with the evolution of hydrogen gas. That is all impression, okay, or summary of this type of corrosion. काय आहे? All metals above hydrogen in the electrochemical series, या सिरीज मध्ये तुम्ही शिकला असाल गॅल्व्हॅनिक सिरीज किंवा इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सिरीज, तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे हायड्रोजनच्या वरती ठेवले प्लेस केलेले मेटल आहेत, ते सगळे मेटल दे हॅव टेंडन्सी टू गेट ऑक्सिडाइज, डिझॉल्व और करोड. डिझॉल्व म्हणजे काय? करोड और ऑक्सिडाइज इन ऍसिडिक सोल्युशन विथ द इव्होल्युशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन गॅस. म्हणजे सगळ्या मेटलमध्ये काय होईल? हायड्रोजन गॅस इव्हॉल्व होतील आणि मेटल डिझॉल्व होऊन जाईल, म्हणजे करोड होऊन जाईल. सो वी शुड टेक केअर ऑफ दिस while exposing such metals to acid. Okay, I hope you understood this part. So we will continue with next part tomorrow only. Okay, so now you give attendance in chat box and you can leave. Now see one more thing, the evening lecture at the 3 to 4, that actually I was expecting to conduct test, okay, but from next Monday we will start conducting test. Okay, so this 3 to 4 we will not conduct test. Okay, so we will not conduct that lecture. We will, so you don't have to, okay, you don't have to attend that lecture 3 to 4. No lecture because no test is there. Okay, 3 ते 4 मध्ये काही आपलं होणार नाहीये. You are free. Thank you.